You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is a surname, originally Cornish and Breton family name. How to pronounce it? Jekyll. By the way, if you want to learn more correct pronunciations of confusing names, stay tuned. Jekyll, alright? It's not Jekyll, Jekyll. I know the spelling may suggest Jekyll or Jekyll. No, sound, Jekyll, and then a schwa sound and a sound. Jekyll, as in Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Jekyll. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.